today we're trying experiment myth.
Yes.
Because we don't know if they're myths or if they're actually good experiments. So let's try. The first one we're going to do is a vinegar soda explosion. But first, we're going to do it with a balloon. So it's going to like pump the balloon itself.
Oh, then it's...
We don't know what's going to happen. So let's try. So we're going to need 4 different materials. We're going to need any balloon, any kind of balloon. We're going to need some vinegar. We're going to need a bottle. If you want, you can use this. This is optional.
Yeah,
we're going to need baking soda. And that's it. So if it's going to explode, just in case, we're going to use this bowl. So first, we're going to start by adding vinegar. So we are using this gummy bear bottle. So we're going to do it somewhere above like the legs. But if you're using any different cup, you could do any different bottle or a cup. Like this, for example, you would just need like a little bit.
More.
I know what you... Be careful, it's vinegar. What are you doing? Be careful. This is dangerous.
Vinegar?
We need to be careful. Even though vinegar, you know, people put it in their foods, but we're still gonna...
It's still like water.
It's like water. But it's not really like water.
Able to drink it.
Okay. That's enough, so we're going to put it somewhere over there in that area. Okay, wait. We're going to close the vinegar because it's vinegar, it's not water. No! In here, in the balloon.
Okay.
Careful. Yeah? Okay, let's put more. But like by little by little. So we don't miss any. Okay, more. Little by little, remember? That's not really little by little, but if you miss this, I told you little by little. Continue. Put more.
Little by little.
More.
You need more?
Yeah, we need more. We need this to blow up. Okay, more. Put a little bit more in the spoon. Yeah. I don't know. That's enough? Okay. So, we're gonna put our thing right here.
Mama, can I back off?
You cannot because this is an experiment. This is we're not gonna say gonna because it should blow the balloon up. Wait, let's put it a little bit more straight. So, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh. There's something inside of it.
Oh, but it blew up. Wait, I don't know why it's not straight, but it blew up. It literally physically blew up.
Let's open this up.
Isn't it cool? And nothing got on us. So the baking soda and a vinegar is in there. So it's going to be totally safe. We can grab this thing. Yeah, help. It's going to be totally safe to just get it off. And you can even do this.
That sounds like...
That was totally safe.
Fired it.
Because nothing happened. Okay, now we're going to... This is not going to do anything. But if you want, you can put it in there. You see, it's not going to do anything.
Doing something.
No, because the experiment already happened. So don't worry. Your kids aren't going to be able to do this again. Try to put more baking powder, baking soda. They're not going to be able to put any more baking soda. Because you see, nothing works. So we're good. One-time experiment. Let's try to do without the balloon. Oh, we're trying this without vinegar. 3, 2, 1. Go. Without the balloon. Oh! Wow! Our experiment! Okay, stop.
Stop.
No, don't close it up. Let's see what happens.
It's not.
The experiment is finished. It did work. It was really fun. We had so much fun doing it. Like, look. Wee! Yes, so this is definitely helpful if you do want to do without the balloon because all the liquid is inside. But if you want to use the balloon, no problem. Use the balloon. It's really fun both ways because it does this. But I recommend doing both of the experiments because they're really fun. So let's go to our third experiment. Let's go. Next experiment is to make this egg a squish ball. So first, we're going to put it in our vinegar and we're going to wait. How many hours?
16,000 hours.
24 hours. Oh, it's been 24 hours already? Okay. So the egg is in vinegar. We're going to carefully put it in our warm water and we're going to clean it off and take the shell off.
Okay.
I'm going to take it with my... Okay.
No, I'm scared.
That's
Milana, it's not working.
Stop.
Milana has a break. Milana, it's not working.
We're washing it off.
Milana, it's so scared.
We're washing it off. I need to take the shell off, but let's see how to take the shell off. Wait, we're just going to wash it off from the vinegar with clean water. Okay, let's try it again. It's bouncing, guys. It's like a little squishy ball. Look. Stress ball a little bit. So cool. Ooh. Okay guys, so while I was trying to take the rest of the remaining hard shell, it did drop. You see? This is how the shell looks like. This is kind of gross. But there's like, you see, hard shell. I tried to take it off and it fully broke. I want to take this one. Look, guys. So it wasn't a myth, but you guys just have to really be careful with the shell. You have to carefully take off the shell. How much you can. If you're scared to take the rest off, then you shouldn't. But then it might pop, like it just did. But good that it popped in here because I was just taking this scrape, and you see, like I was taking like these little pieces off. You see, like these little pieces off, and it kind of broke. But I mean, if I didn't do that, it might have broke on the table because I'm sure it would have broke at some point. But it's kind of messy. But you guys can play with the egg yolk because you can't use it anymore because it has vinegar in it. So it had vinegar in. So yeah, I guess it wasn't a method, but this one is kind of gross, so I don't like it. Let's go to the next one. Fourth experiment is cornstarch. So it's gonna be like this slime, but like a hard putty texture. So it's gonna be like this cool like experiment. So let's see if it works. So first we need cornstarch for it. Cornstarch.
How many?
And it really depends how much you want to make. Well, if we want to make like a good amount, then you just need like
6.
a little bit like this, probably.
More.
That's enough.
No.
Next, we're gonna add a little bit of water. This is just clean water.
It's already turning into slime.
It's not gonna be slime, but it's gonna be something like that.
It's good. It's already hard slime.
Yeah, there's like already some of it that's already turning into it.
It's already hard slime-like.
You need to help yourself do this because this is hard to do with like a spoon. You need to use your hands, but I'm gonna use.
I'm gonna use my hands.
No, first we're doing.
Is it hard to watch or like?
Wait, it's turning into it, so it's supposed to be like. I'm gonna show you the consistency it's supposed to be like when it's gonna be done.
It's like slime, but hard slime liquid. It's like a liquid slime.
It's like this type of. It's not like slime. Okay, let me give you some in your hand. Here.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. This is like glue.
Wait, let me show you guys. Let me get some. You have to work hard, really fast.
Put this in my hand. I want more.
Wait, let me show you. Wait, so if you go like this, guys, it's gonna be hard. Like it's gonna be a hard texture, like hard, but then it melts in your hand. That is just so cool.
Look, it's melting.
So you see, it's normal until it just starts melting. Like it's not even sticky or anything. It's not watery. It's just like really quick melter. So this is a little messy experiment, but it's really cool.
It's not melting.
Look, so it's like hard. It's really like it's hard. It's just cornstarch. But when you put it, it like melts. And we have more. Let me show you guys.
It's not working.
But it's cool. But you can't really like keep it for a long time. I mean, it's like not a keeper. It's a one-time use. So,
oh my God, it's a lot.
Okay, so you see, it's hard. Like it's it's really, it's quite, I don't know how to show it because it's so fast.
It's so fast.
You see, like, I roll it up and it's not liquidy, but then it's just liquids.
Yes, it is.
Like,
No,
but when
it's so hard.
but like, it's not even hard. It's like,
No, like.
this is such a fun experiment to do. You like this experiment?
No.
You like it?
No.
But is it fun? Is it cool?
It's fun, but it's super messy.
But we had so much fun doing it because it was really fun. But it's just messy. It's a messy experiment, but it's super fun.
It's not working.
Yeah, because you can't touch it for weight. Oh, that's probably like a cornstarch place because you can't mix it up like this too much. I'm gonna show you clearly how it works. So it's a liquid. First, it's really hard. You see, like it's a hard base, but
yes,
you see, but it starts just melting in your hand. So if you can tell, it's a hard base, but then it melts in your hand.
No, it's not a hard base. It's already melting.
It's really hard.
No, it's not.
It's hard until it just starts.
Mine is that hard.
But I recommend playing with it a few times, and then it's not gonna be as messy. But it really washes off really quickly just with warm water, right?
No,
it just like literally just washes off like really easily. So this is a fun experiment, a little messy, but you can just wash it off like super easily, like in 5 seconds. But let's go to our 5th experiment. Next experiment, if we're gonna see if it's a myth or if it's true, it is a can trick. So it's gonna crunch up when you put it when it's a hot can. So what we're gonna use is these tweezers. We're gonna need a cold water with a bunch of ice, and we need a can that's super hot. We're gonna show you how we're gonna get it out of the oven. Let's go. Show it in the oven. Here it is. It's hot. That's why we need tweezers. Be careful, please, guys. Do it with adults. You need to put it upside down like this, and let's see if it works. Does it?
No, it's not.
Right up. No, guys, it didn't work. It literally didn't work. It's hot. It was in the oven. And it didn't work.
What?
Wait, maybe I need to like hold it for longer. Let's see. It worked a little bit from one side, but I mean it was supposed to crunch up fully like this, but that didn't happen. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it really didn't happen, only a little bit. But this is a myth. So let's try the next experiment. Next experiment is a candle. So what's gonna happen if it happens, if it's a myth or not? We're gonna put our candle, we're gonna pour water around it, and it's gonna be light up. We're not gonna do it, it's gonna be an adult. We're gonna close it up, and the water is supposed to pick up. We don't know if it's gonna happen, but we're gonna try. So we put the candle in the middle. Let's pour some water around it.
This is going to be so dangerous.
Okay, our adult is doing it for us. Okay, so we're gonna flip it around, guys. You ready?
No.
3, 2, 1. Whoa! I can see the water. It is picking up. Look.
It's picking up.
The water is coming up. Wait, let's hold it. Let's hold it down. And the candle just lit up. And look, there's like bubbles. It's like so much pressure in this can.
How it's so...
That is so cool. We're going to try this again because we're going to see if it works. Doesn't matter. We're going to hold our cup down. Let's see.
What needs to happen?
Does the water pick up? Yeah, it's picking up. Look. I don't know if I need to hold it down.
No, it's going to come.
Whoa. That is so cool, guys.
This does not make sense.
No, but it goes up, and then it starts bubbling because there's so much pressure. So how the water goes up, the candle starts to blow out, and it starts to get bubbly because it's so much pressure that one little contained glass cup. And look, that was so fun. And the water is so cold. And the candle is cold. That is cool.
No, stop. Cameraman is supposed to do it again.
No, I think that we're going to try it again, but we put food coloring so you guys could see it way better. Okay, let's do it again.
This is going to work. It's coming up.
Do you guys see how it's coming up?
How it's coming up?
You see?
How it's coming up?
Look, all the water is literally in there. Can you see? It's literally all in there. There is no water around the cup. It's all sucked in. Whoa! This is like the best experience. Wait, don't pick it up. Look, there's no water.
How it came there?
No, it literally went through the cup. Okay, let's pick it up. Wow. So the pressure gets super pressed up.
I'm gonna do it again.
So the water goes up there. The candle blows out when it sucked all the water, and then it starts bubbling because there's so much pressure in that one cup. And you literally saw there was no water. And look, it turned cold. Wait, look, it's cold. Okay, guys, that was our last experiment, the 6th one, right? It was 6.
Yeah.
So some of them were myths, like the can, or what else was a myth?
I don't know.
Okay, but a lot of experiments actually worked. Which one was your favorite? This one was definitely my favorite.
Yeah, that was my favorite too.
Or the cornstarch, or the cornstarch.
10 out of 10. This one is a 10 out of 10.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's it for our experiments. If you liked the experiments, please comment down below and let us know that you guys liked the experiments. If you did, we're gonna make a part 2, maybe, of more cool experiments. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more cool content. Bye! There's so much pressure in that cup that it sucked it in. That was so cool. Did you see how it was holding on?
Yeah.
That was so cool.